St. Croix, big up Goldo TV.
Welcome back, guys, to Golo TV. You know what I mean? With about today's a nice day. Got a phone call from my boy Ganj to come and pick up this plate of food here. Two tacos, it's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, so we don't usually eat tacos. Good man, shut myself. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so every Tuesday we don't eat Taco Tuesday, some veggie tacos, with some fried cauliflower. He leave my plate there already, so I going right now to pick it up. I gonna go and pick it up right now. I maybe stop by excuse me, back to natural to buy a sea mass mixed with peanut punch. Yeah, I believe I gonna stop in for that them, and I craving to drink that, with a plate of food, but when you eating a plate of food and you drinking that there, you don't even get to finish your food, because the drink will fool you up already. It'll be like a punch, but I craving to drink that, You know, like to a sea mass mix with peanut punch. And right now we passing through gateway. Yeah, that's why we passing through the gateway, because the mobile, but they don't sell the food. Yeah, they're close to public works. Yeah, public works right there in front, right there. And right on the main road, so them man gonna be on the left hand side. That's why them man gonna be on the left hand side. Right now where they're reaching right there to pull up and pick up my plate, cause my boy Ganj don't pay for it already. So all I got to do is pick it up. Give thanks, my boy. Give thanks for paying for that plate there, man. Give thanks. Yeah. Appreciate that, that for sure. All the time. Not only now. All the time. I believe he there and all. I look like he there and all. He's still there. Watch it. He's still there. I come for this plate of food and he's still there. Yeah, man. What going on there? Safe. Yeah. Pull up on a place and all right. Yeah, man. Respect, right? Yes, sir. That man ain't ready?
Not ready.
Safe. Yeah. Yeah, he never eat it? No? What? Crazy. Proper plate. Trust me. Yeah, man. Proper plate. Yeah, we just reaching here, man. I gonna show you right now. Where we there right now. This spot we there right now. We pull up on the new hobby. We don't call me a Harley train. Yeah, we want to that special. Yeah, that's why we don't come every Tuesday and eat tacos, veggie tacos, organic. You know what I mean? Yeah. Check it out there. Veggie wrap. You know what I mean? Add your drinks in there. Add your drinks in there.
$20 each, right? 20 plates in it. What are you dealing with, man?
You tell me when you was on the phone. You tell me
Plates,
you
brother.
want 4
We don't come.
tacos.
We don't come here at just 4 taco. We don't have a plate, me boy.
Let me get that.
Yeah, what going on? CF4. Yeah, yellow. Camera there, me, man. You gotta worry about that, man. That's for my YouTube, man. Love.
Love and
Respect, you know.
respect.
All the thinking. Yes, sir.
Let me get 4 drinks.
And today special. You know special for we? Gotta get some kind of special, dog. And nothing free for my boy. Yeah. We don't come here. We don't come for no taco. We don't come for the plate, dog. And,
He tell me you
and they got cauliflower. Make sure they get cauliflower, dog.
ain't want to cauliflower.
You mean I want cauliflower on mine? You gone, man, mess up your order, you vex, you gone. No, but I will hold it for you. I will hold it for you. I will go, I will hold it for you. I will hold it for you, dog. You know, if I carry it up there, you know, carry it for you. Go ahead. Harry, dog. Try you gonna mess up my boy, man.
No, because
Gonna mess you up, man.
Tommy I'm telling me that he want 4 tacos. I didn't know he want a plate. He just
We
tell me,
mean 4 taco plates.
that's what you
That's what we want. We don't come here.
He should have said 4 taco plates. He just said 4 plates.
Oh, we don't come here and have 4 tacos, you know, it's plates. And I'm gonna mess up my boy Ara. We got discount for that be. Gotta get something. Yeah, man, I mess up my boy Ara now. So we gotta wait cause the man gone and he gonna put 1 taco. We don't come here and order 1 taco. We don't order tacos, taco plate. Yeah, man, now we gotta wait some more, you know? Yeah, so I stay tuned until I reach up the road with my plate cause I don't record and I kinda messed up. I messed up and I kinda frustrated right now, you know? Come all the way down here, my boy ain't gonna get nothing to check, so I stay tuned. Let's come back. Right? Hold on, let me show her the shop, Harry. Show her. See there? When I come in, I could come in here. Harry? Don't forget to support them when I come in here. Yeah, I pay for it. I pay for it. Yes, sir, yeah, man. Pay for it, Ross. You don't know it's love, you know. Yeah, you know it's love, big. It's love. Okay, so we there here. I had her on the CMAS and half a peanut punch. And then I'm gonna go up the road. Right here. Let me show her how to shop, man, cause me wanna say come in here. I mean show her. Let me show her. There's the shop here, you know. All kind of organic shit. All kind of organic pills, tea, manga, ice cream, all kind of different stuff in there, drinks and stuff. Me ain't really know too much about them, you know, but you got these things here too. Oatmeal. I want some oatmeal, mayonnaise, organic mayonnaise. Me ain't know about them thing there. Oh yeah, that's how the shop look. If I want chips, cookies, that's them. All kind of chips. All kind of chips, you know what I mean? Nuts. Back to natural, you know? Huh? We say? Get some more stuff back here. And drinks and so. Man got almond milk. Cornflakes or what? I got cornflakes there, but peanut butter. Ain't about these things, yeah, so. Guess them man got deodorant, couple stuff for the body or whatever. To pills, more pills. That be toothpaste. That be. I was born to be brave. Yeah, yeah, man. I ain't gonna stop it right here. Tell I don't come in one the music. The man call copyright. The man could call copyright, man. I be on that side over there. Music was playing, so I'm gonna wait until. Yeah. I'll wait until I pick up this drink here and go up the road. Got music playing. Me know if I gonna come out and I gonna call copyright, but I gonna just stop it for now. Irie, bless. Two. Irie. So I could come there and show support to the local. If you want to eat organic, you know what I mean? Veggie. What you call it? Irie? Bless. Got my drink there. My drink here. Big drink. 14 for it. Irie? I'm getting up the road now. Bless. Salad, broccoli, the tacos, fry, cauliflower. Think this chunks, and this is the sea moss and peanut punch. That's how it look, like a slushy. That's how it look. Check. Yeah, that's my food there. Oh my gosh. I never had this mix here. Right? Me gonna lie to her. Me had this mix here until I been by Ganj. And Ganj order the drink half sea moss and half peanut punch. Cause when I do go there, I do only order the peanut punch because I love peanut punch. But when this man order that and let me taste it, I had to order me one this time when I go here. That's why I gone and get me one cause that flavor there with the sea moss and the peanut punch, Wicked. Wicked. You don't like it. Wicked. Check. Fly cauliflower. Fried broccoli. Some of the salad. Forget what they call this here. But it'll be like a coleslaw. That's a coleslaw. But different coleslaw, not no mayonnaise, no nothing. Different coleslaw. These are the chunks. Veggie chunks. That's what I be. Pull out the taco. See a taco, yeah? Yeah. I don't know about the ingredients being a taco, but it is good. All the time. All the time. Maybe? So I'm going to finish this plate, yeah? I don't know if I'm going to finish it, but I'm going to eat some of this plate, yeah? I got to wash some more clothes. Since it's raining, I think I'm going to wash one more load, you know? Yeah. But I don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment. Love and respect all the time. Love you guys. Peace.
Goldo TV, en el paso allá arriba, mi gente.